In this short break, I'll show you how to make your Bitmoji blink and smile. If you want to see how to add accessories to your Bitmoji, please see in the description box the link to the other video. You just need to start with 3 types of face Bitmojis. One that smiles, one that blinks on the left side, and one that blinks on the right side. Once you have put all your accessories on all 3 faces, the one that smiles, the one that blinks, paste the one that smiles twice so that you have one that smiles, one that blinks, one that smiles, and one that blinks. That means you have 5 slides all in all. Now download one by one in PNG. So File, Download, PNG. Give a name that you remember. Usually I put numbers in front so that I know which one is 1, etc. Then I copy the name, right click, copy, so that when I save the next slides, I can just paste them and change the numbers. Download the next slides, PNG, then paste the name, change the number. So this one is slide 3, so that's number 3, save. Same thing with the slide 4, then PNG again, save, paste, change the number, that's 4, so number 4, save. Once all 5 slides are saved as PNG, we go to this site called JIFF or JIFF. Upload the 5 images from 1 to 5. Hold the Shift key so that you can select them all and then confirm. Now upload, and then let's make a GIF. Now we are going to change the setting of the delay. The first picture we're going to choose 30, the second the same 30, the one in the middle we choose 50 so that we can have a little bit of a pause. Then the fourth is 30 again. Finally we set 50 seconds so that the smiley face stays a little bit longer. I just leave the loop count empty so that it just goes on and on. Once everything is set, we are ready to download, save. We give a name that we can easily remember. You can either put into your Google Slides as a background or just insert as an image. If you put as a background, of course it won't move. I personally prefer to insert as an image, so upload the GIF that we've created. I find it a little bit more flexible if you use it as an image because you can move around and then resize it and use it in different ways. Remember to select all the items that you have added and the face and group them all together so that they won't move around. It's a good idea to put one copy of the face on top of the other one so that you can have all the same size. In order to see the minimum details, I usually go to 200% so that I can see the minimum details and I can match everything quite well. So once you finish, you go back to the normal viewing and then you can see if everything is more or less the same size. And once you're done and grouped, you can send it to the back and delete the one in front that you have used as a measurement for the size of the faces. That's all for now. I will see you in the next video. Bye.